You type the perfect prompt, hit generate, and then nothing. Maybe it's stuck loading. Maybe you get an error. Maybe the video finishes, but it looks completely wrong. If that's happening, don't assume Meta AI is broken. Most of the time, it's one of a few simple issues, and they're surprisingly easy to fix. The first thing I check is your prompt. A lot of people throw an entire movie script into one prompt and expect perfect results. AI doesn't always like that. Instead, keep it focused. One scene, one idea, then build the next scene after that. If the generator is taking forever, refresh the page and try again. Seriously, sometimes it's just a temporary server issue, especially when lots of people are using the tool at the same time. Another thing, look at your internet connection. AI video generation uploads data constantly, so even if your Wi-Fi seems fine for YouTube or Netflix, an unstable connection can still cause failed generations. Now, if you're getting weird looking videos instead of error messages, that's usually a prompt problem. Don't write things like, make an amazing business video. That's way too vague. Tell the AI exactly what you want. Who's in the scene? What's the camera doing? What's the lighting like? What's the mood? The more specific you are, the better the result usually gets. Here's one mistake I see all the time. People keep clicking. Generate over and over after an error. Don't. If the server is busy, you're just creating more failed requests. Wait a minute. Refresh the page, then try again. If the issue still isn't fixed, clear your browser cache or open Meta AI in an incognito window. That rules out a lot of browser-related problems in seconds. You can also switch browsers. I've seen cases where something works perfectly in Chrome but struggles in another browser because of extensions or cached files. And one last thing, if Meta AI recently rolled out a new feature, there can be temporary bugs for the first day or two. That's normal with almost every AI platform. So before spending an hour trying random fixes, check whether other users are reporting the same issue. Sometimes the fastest solution is simply waiting for Meta to fix it on their end. Now I'm curious, what problem are you seeing? Is it stuck on loading, giving you an error, or generating bad videos? Drop the exact issue in the comments and chances are someone watching, or I, can help you figure it out. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.